Namaskar, India. This is Dave from the QI Tower. Very excited to share some amazing news with you. And that's not only is it coming to India, the most exciting part is the fact that it's going to be manufactured in India and packaged in India. So it's going to be a made in India product. And this is something that's really going to help us comply, and it's the way forward for QNet and QI, because we're going to have more and more made in India products which fit with the MLM guidelines that the government has just come out with. Now let me tell you something about Edge. Okay, I've been taking Edge for since May 2015. I started taking it at VCon last year, so it's been over a year now. Okay, the amazing part is that glutathione as a concept, okay, has been around for a long time, and glutathione is sold mainly in the Philippines. People take it orally through intravenous, okay, because one of the side effects of glutathione is fairer, better skin and complexion. But that's one of the smallest benefits, superficial benefits. What is really exciting is it's actually the master antioxidant that the body naturally creates. It's also a detoxifier and an immune booster. Now, our cells do not manufacture enough glutathione. Okay? And people take it orally, intravenously, but the body does not absorb 80%, 85% of it just gets flushed. So you're just retaining maybe 10 to 15% of it. Okay? What Edge does, Edge has got absolutely no glutathione in it. However, it's got the amino acids that give you the building blocks that help your cells naturally create its own glutathione, which is absorbed 100%. Now let me give you my own personal experience. Okay? I had no chronic ailment, and I'm not going to make any crazy claims, but all I can tell you is that I take it every morning on an empty stomach, half an hour before breakfast. As soon as I wake up, it's the first thing I do. And since last May, I've lost over 10 kilos. Now, is that because of Edge? I don't know. All I know is I lost 10 kilos. Okay? But what I can tell you is that every morning, okay, I used to have a runny nose and suffer from allergies because I travel so much and I have a very hectic lifestyle. And I can tell you that I can't remember the last time I fell ill. I feel a lot healthier. Okay, I feel a lot more energetic. I'm lighter, and I cannot do without it. So, India, Edge is coming your way. Okay, go get it. God bless.